She touched me. And her eyes lit up. I know me not have sickle cell no more.
What am say? Welcome to Rate JA, where we rate everything Jamaica. If you're an avid TV watcher or have been scrolling through TikTok, you've probably heard of the series Supacell. If you love sci-fi and action, trust me, this is for you. Supacell follows a group of normal people in South London who develop superpowers. I've got the power! Due to a rare mutation called Supacell, linked to their parents having sickle cell. So we'll be looking at the top 5 Jamaican moments. Without further ado, let's go!
Spoiler alert.
Number 5. Charlene's Jamaican reaction. In episode 1, we see Sabrina getting ready to go out looking real good.
Good gracious God. I've seen beauty before, but this is a discovery.
With her sister, Charlene, who lives with her, also present in the room. When Charlene saw how good she looked, she said, Typically Jamaicans say that when they're in shock about something, whether good or bad. You know, like when you're in shock because you can't believe the Jamaican government give themselves up to 300% salary increase. So much? Them brighty?
Yeah. Fully done.
As soon as I heard it, my head spin and my eyebrow knit up. Come here and say, hold on.
Hold on.
She a Jamaican? No, you said that. Well, it seems as if my assertions were right, because in episode 6 we can see the Jamaican flag in the background of the scene at Sabrina's house right here.
Where you going all dressed up? Kevin's taking me out?
Number 4. Usain Bolt Reference. In episode 2, having realized that he has powers, Rodney tries to recreate his moment of speed again by running up and down a street in South London. He did this several times over and over.
Again! Again!
Trying desperately to get that flash moment. While doing so, onlookers jeered him, referring to him as Usain Bolt. Number 3. Jamaican music in party scenes. In episode 1, when we are introduced to Taser and the Tower Boys gang going to a party, the background music is Idonia's track. The gang then went into the party, and later on we hear Lali on the song. Popcorn Set It also plays in the club scene where Sabrina and Charlene party. Number 2. The Jamaican family. It is said that anywhere in the world you go, you will find a Jamaican. In the series, we meet a Jamaican couple called the Johnsons who runs a restaurant. Their daughter has been missing for some time, and Dion is on the case. And you know how you know them are real Jamaican? Their unwillingness to give them any information about the situation, cause them not gonna make anybody know them business. You know we as Jamaicans they already.
Some of them for mind their own business.
Come on, my shop!
Mrs. Johnson, we just need to ask you a few more questions.
Terry?
And in number 1 we have the Jamaican patwa. Throughout the series, Jamaican patwa pops up in many ways. This is evident from Braggs jeering Andre after Andre warned him to stay away from his son.
Stay away from my son. Yeah? Father. Father.
To Veronica's colorful language before the Taser beatdown.
Yeah, set you off on what? What are you gonna do?
Imagination.
6 chick, and Chucky's coming out of hospital real soon.
And to Tuzi's colorful language in mocking the Sixers gang on IG Live, saying, "Man's an up block, but I can't see no ups."
So I'm 6 up.
Imagination.
We're outside.
But most notably, one of the scenes that stood out the most is Crazy responding to Sabrina's threat.
I'll be the one doing 35 years.
Bad girl, Sabrina.
This concludes our list. Do you agree with our list?
Your name?
No!
Have we missed anything? Feel free to let us know in the comments. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.